That is the engine car.
Yeah.
This.
It's a shame they don't have like USB.